Kailangan maging successful ka ngayong taon, hindi pwedeng hindi. Feeling mo ba, hindi mo nasimulan ng tama yung taon? Parang merong hindi magandang energy at the start of the year? Guys, ako na nagsasabi sa'yo, huwag mo nang ituloy yung pakiramdam na yan. And definitely, you have to challenge your energy and your perspective because this year is a good year for you. Etong taon na to yung magbibigay ng pinakamalakas na blessing sa buhay mo, kapatid. So kung tingin mo may hindi tama, 'di ba? You try to reset, try to recharge. 'Di ba? As early as now because we cannot waste any more time and any more day this year 2026. We need to become successful. Kailangan maging successful ka ngayong taon, hindi pwedeng hindi. Because this year is your year. This year is gonna be abundant. It will pour a lot of blessing in your life. So, huwag kang papayag na hindi maganda yung energy mo. Huwag kang papayag na hindi maganda yung mga thoughts mo. Huwag kang papayag na hindi mo nabibigyan ng magandang environment yung sarili mo because everything is a choice. Everything is a decision to make. So kapatid, I suggest ayusin natin lahat ng energy natin this year. Let's go!